Like yesterday, I felt like terrible. And all of a sudden, I get to the hotel, guys, and I'm like revitalized with all this energy. You guys can see my eyes. They're probably red. Yeah, my eyes are probably red. Well, can you guys see how sleepy I am? guys, 12% left.
Just beat my money here. So I'm celebrating with the Banana Bonanza smoothie. Hey, and you can keep celebrating when you create an affordable price just for you by bundling your home and auto with the State Farm Personal Price Plan. Go bananas. I will. Hey, make it a large. Bundling. Just another way to say
By the way, guys, this is way too sweet to finish.
Honestly, no one wants to think about HIV, but there are things that everyone can do to help prevent it.
Things like PrEP. PrEP stands for pre-exposure prophylaxis. It means routinely taking prescription medicine before you were exposed to HIV to help reduce your chances of getting it. PrEP can be about 99% effective in taking as prescribed. It doesn't protect against other STIs, so you should use condoms and unhealthy sex practices.
Ask a healthcare provider about all your prevention options.
And visit findoutaboutprep.com to learn more. Sponsored by Gilead.
Life is an act of constant reinvention. That's true for you and for cars. Nissan reimagined the all-new kicks around you. The Bose Personal Plus sound system with speakers and headrests keep you in the groove, while the Nissan Safety Shield 360 technologies keep you safe. If Nissan reinvented the kicks, you can reinvent yourself. Track the all-new reimagined Nissan kicks today. Available feature, Bose is a registered trademark of the Bose Corporation. Nissan Safety Shield technologies can prevent all collisions or work-on situations. See owner's manual for important safety information.
Hey, it's me, Tyler. Both open earbuds are stylish. The color, the way it looks almost like a earring, you know, so I feel like it's a go. My style is very fun. I feel like I always wear it on holiday. I just really like hanging out with it and tying it to the music. So yeah, I feel like when it's not making right
Yeah,
now,
certainly today we get to hotel food first, or actually might be a nap first. Let me get a lid for this. Put it in my cup. Grab a phone. Hey guys, the body's telling you we need to get we need like a 15-20 minute